Hi friends, welcome to the Money Breeder. In this video, I am going to discuss about how to analyze the interlinked businesses and find the opportunities. Okay, that means let's say one company is performing very good. Okay, that company will be having internal dependency with other companies which are ancillary companies we can call. Okay, how to analyze those ancillary companies and figure out opportunities. Okay, before going into the video, this is the standard disclaimer. Please be mindful of it. Okay, so the topic is how to find trading opportunities with interlinked businesses. The money breeder step by step evaluation process. Okay, let's take one example, which is one case study. I wanted to give you as an example, which doesn't mean that you have to pick same company or you can trade on this company. Okay, whatever the discussion I am doing here just for the example and education purpose only. Okay, please do your own research. Okay, so now I'm taking one case study. The food delivery company Zomato locked 10 percentage today. Out of this, how we can find the opportunities by analyzing these results. Okay, how to benefit from this. Okay, let us analyze. See, my way of analysis is like this. Every individual differences, every individuals have their own differences, so they will be having their own way of analysis. So this is how I am going to analyze sometimes. Okay, now Zomato is 11% up today after the results. Okay, what triggered for these results? Normally we think like Zomato started putting the delivery charges. Initially they are giving for free delivery. Now they are putting the delivery charges. Let's take a example. Even if they put the delivery charges, if purchaser is not there, if the buyer is not there, okay, from where they will get the delivery charges? So as long as these buyers are there, demand is there, then Zomato or Swiggy or any other food delivery companies will get benefit out of it. If the user itself is not there, means they cannot get it. That means users are okay and accepting the delivery charges, accepting the business model. They are ordering through the Zomato. Okay, that is the first step. The second thing is what Zomato does. Okay, that is the one question I am having. Zomato is a food delivery company with a lot of human resources. If we see, right, while going in the on the road by two wheeler or four wheeler, we will see so many Zomato delivery boys. Okay, that means they are having lot of human resources who is working very hard to make the to generate the revenues to make the company go up. At the same time, those people also getting benefited through the salaries as well as some commissions. So what food Zomato delivers? Mainly if you think broadly, right? Okay, instant food like pizzas, burgers, KFC chicken, biryani, all these kind of items, as well as now after other company acquisition, okay, they started delivering the vegetables also. That is Jepto or something is there. Okay. So mainly from the starting, Zomato is delivering this food delivery business. Okay. So this food delivery business, where these food items Zomato picks from and deliver to the end user. Okay. First, I try to analyze from where it is going and from where they are getting all these things. Then who makes this food and sells the same thing? Who handovers the food to the Zomato. Other side, right? Zomato is the mediator company which delivers between two parties. I am the end user. I wanted to get the biryani to my house. I cannot go there. So there could be some issues, personal issues or work pressure, something, so many things will be there. Or by the time I reach to the shop, okay, I may get through the delivery. If I pay some small extra amount to the delivery. So with that mindset, people are ready to use this intermediary service for getting the food to their house. Okay, this is the intermediary service provided between two parties. What are those two parties? One party is me, that means end user. Other party is the hotels, the food, instant food delivery companies, food making companies. For example, here I am taking Pizza Hut, Domino's, KFC, and other hotels also, wherever the food is available. Mainly, I am taking these are the one example because these companies are the organized companies listed in the stock market. So since we are into this business, stock market business, we need to figure out the opportunities in this market only. If the company is not listed out, if you go and invest there, right, how you will invest? Okay, that is the reason I am taking this only the examples. Okay, even Zomato delivers a lot of food items from so many hotels which are not organized sector. Okay, so what are the organized companies? Jubilant Food and Devyani International. Okay, Jubilant Food contains Domino's. Recently they started another branch. I didn't remember the exactly name. That is also part of the Jubilant Food. Okay, the Devyani International, which holds the Pizza Huts and KFCs, some other businesses as well. Okay, mainly focus into the instant food making companies. Okay, so that means let's say Zomato is getting the money, very good revenues by delivering the food. Okay, my intention is, since Zomato is able to make as long as the customers are there, those customers are interested in ordering this food. That means people are interested eating in this food. So that is the reason Zomato is getting benefited. If we try to invest into this food making companies, there will be some revenues or some profits we may make. That is the basic idea I am having by analyzing the Zomato results. So from this case study, I wanted to pick some companies. Okay, so internally, if the Zomato is going, means that is indicative for the these companies business as well. Okay, FMCG business as well. Let's say any country or any shops or anything, if the purchasing power is increasing, means shops are going to generate the revenues. So the end user purchasing capacity is increasing. That means the whoever delivers this kind of services, they are going to get benefited. So we wanted to invest those companies so that we will get some returns out of it. That is the intention behind this. So I wanted to find the companies which are interlinked with the Zomato delivery service so that I can invest in those companies. So I figured out these are the two companies. Now, okay, so internally this company's business is improving. Do you believe? I believe yes. Okay, now do you get conviction to buy Devayani or Jubilant Food? Okay, for that some small analysis I was doing. Okay, till the last time, let me go to the trading view. I was interested in the Jubilant Food earlier. Now Jubilant Food reasonably went up, little bit went up. Okay, here Zomato is the 10% up, right? 10% up. Now let us take Jubilant Food. I feel Jubilant Food is coming from the bottom. coming from the bottom, if we could have picked somewhere in this region, I do studied the stock and I invested and I exited in between. Okay, now this is little bit went up. Okay, now what is the second company where we will get some opportunity is Devyani. So this Devyani is coming from the bottom. Okay, if we see on the time frame, right, here there was a good consolidation in this area. There was a good consolidation, then it crossed the consolidation area it crossed. Okay, slowly it is going up. So I wanted to utilize this in the some medium term to long term, invest some amount in this company so that I can get some out of it. Okay, that is what my intent, my conviction against this company. Okay, so by doing this exercise, I wanted to take the entry in this stock by having the stop loss somewhere here. Okay, 140, that 140 to 30 rupees by having the target to this area. Okay, without risk. See, since I am not a fundamental analyst, just I use my common sense as well as the business how it is going, all the cash flow statements, all those things which comes after 3 months after quarterly analysis. Okay, in between I wanted to trade, I wanted to do this. By the time the results we see, right, there will be a lot of up move by that time because of the insiders or some business whoever closely working with the business, those people already enters way before, and we will end up investing in the wrong timing and wrong places. So instead relying on the fundamentals and cash flow and all the financial statements, the focus is look the chart, find out the good places by having the reasonable risk reward. If our study goes wrong, we are going to lose some small amount. Okay, if our study right, here itself if you take, that is my target and entry. Okay, go to the long position here. Let's take I have entered into the 175 is my entry. Okay, this is my target. Okay, what is my stop loss? I'm going to have the stop loss in this 140 in this region. Now what is my risk reward? 1 is to 1.1.5 is the risk reward. So slowly what I will do is, slowly I will move my stop loss once my full position comes, right? Once my full position comes, I will move to stop loss here. Okay. Once this goes up here, I will move stop loss to the break even point and I will hold the a trade until the time this is very early stage. It is gaining the action. Okay. Some accumulation or distribution we don't know until it moves up. Okay, some consolidation is there. During this process I wanted to add slowly. So as part of it yesterday I took some small quantity. I'm going to keep add the slowly to this company. Okay, that's all from my side. I wanted to give you something. Okay, similar way we can analyze many companies. Let's take FMCG companies. If the FMCG companies are going for the sake Hindustan Unilever, the company makes what items? The shampoos, okay, soaps, these kind of items, right? Cosmetics, all those things. Okay, who provide raw material for that? Galaxy Surfactants is the one of the company that internally supplies the chemicals for these companies. So ultimately, if the FMCG companies are performing, the buying capacity increasing for the people, what is the ancillary company? The ancillary companies are those kind of companies where we can invest. Okay, that is what the common sense is. And similarly, you take realty sector. All the real estate companies like Shobha, Prestige, Godrej Properties, Oberoi Realties, these companies are performing very nice means what companies are going to get benefited out of it? Cement companies, steel companies, painting companies, the green ply wood companies, all those things one after another slowly it will move, right? Okay, that is where. And also who provides the loan for buying these houses, those loan companies also going to go. Once you buy the house, you are going to buy a car. Okay, obviously car insurance companies, car manufacturing companies also going to go. So these are the interlinked domains where we can find the opportunities by analyzing this and using our common sense. Like this I always analyze. Okay, rather than going into the fundamentals, financials, all those things, use this mechanism which will give you edge, because I am not a long term investor or anything. If I wanted to invest in the long term, I am going to invest in the mutual funds, not in the stocks. I trade in the stocks and I invest in the mutual funds. Okay, that is what my philosophy. Everybody having their own mindset and own way of doing this. So this is one of the way I am doing. This is what I would like to give you some information how to analyze the interlinked businesses and find the ancillary companies to get benefit out of it. Thank you so much, friends. If you like my analysis, please share and subscribe for my channel. Thank you so much.